Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this aura video in CapCut PC, like how you can get the aura. So I'm just going to copy and paste this video. Make sure you've deleted the background. I am going to add in the solution effect. So go to effects here and find solution and add it to the one underneath, or you can also place it just here. Then I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit and then adjust the strength too. And I'm going to put the speed at 0. I'm just going to check what that looks like. Then I'm going to add the trippy ripple. It's this one, and I'm just going to add that on top of that. I'm going to turn off blur, and I'm going to adjust the strength as well and delete the horizontal and put the speed at 0, and I'll just leave the twist, I guess. Actually, I'll leave some of the strength in it. Then I'm just going to type in Dreamy Halo. I'm going to add that on there. And I'm just going to adjust the glow a little bit, and then the range, and then the size. Then I'm going to add in color, maybe, to the glow. So you can add whichever one you want. I'm going to just go with Purple Night. You can also adjust the amount and color and whatnot. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.